Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you 3 different wearable ways to wear multichrome, duochrome, color shifting eyeshadow. I know that multichrome eyeshadows can be a little intimidating. They're so beautiful to look at, so mesmerizing. You want to put them on your eyes, but you don't want to look like a clown. You don't want to look too much. You don't want it to look too colorful. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways to do just that. The look I'm wearing on my eyes right now is obviously not a part of this video because it's not so wearable, but I just got a little creative with my pressed eyeshadow in Dragon's Breath by Ensley Rain. If you want to see a tutorial on this look, let me know in the comments below and I'll do that separately. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let's jump right in. For the first look, I'm going to start by applying the NYX Jumbo Eyeshadow Pencil in Milk. This is just a very opaque white all over my lid, and I'm going to be blending it out with my finger. This is going to help the multichrome eyeshadow we're going to be applying next pop because we're creating a blank canvas. I'm going to be using the Ensley Rain Fire Opal Molten Liquid Eyeshadow, and if you want to see swatches of all the liquid eyeshadows, I have a video on that. I'm going to be linking it. And I'm going to be applying it straight from the tube all over my lid and once again blending it with my finger. When it comes to cream and liquid eyeshadows or any really makeup products, your finger is your best brush. Then I'm going to be taking the Fire Opal Moon Dust, which is the same shade in a loose pigment form. And I'm going to pat that right on top of the liquid eyeshadow. This is just going to make it that much more sparkly. This shade is very wearable because it doesn't have too much color shift in it. It's really like just a white base with some gold and pink. So that makes it a lot more wearable. It still looks soft and not too colorful, but you still get this iridescent color shifting. I'm going to take a little bit of that powder on the very inner corner as well, right around the tear duct. I'm just going to take a very soft brown shade. This is the MAC Kid eyeshadow with the Sigma E25 blending brush and just take a little bit in my crease to create a little bit of depth. A little bit under the lower lash line as well. To finish it off, I'm just going to be applying the L'Oreal Telescopic Liquid Eyeliner in Carbon Black. Curl my lashes, and apply some mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Original. For the second look, I'm going to start by dusting the same Kid eyeshadow by MAC with my Sigma E25 all over my lid and in my crease, just blending it outwards. I just want to create some kind of a base, but I don't want it to be too noticeable because the attention is going to go on the liquid eyeshadow, the multichrome eyeshadow we're about to add here in a minute. And I'm also applying it under my lower lash line as well, just blending it outwards. Now I'm going to be using my Molten Liquid Eyeshadows by Ensley Rain as eyeliners. I'm going to be using these 2 shades. You can only use one shade if you want, if you don't want it to be too colorful, but I feel like those 2 shades are going to work really well together and complement each other by creating just one flawless, very multichrome, color shifting color, although they are color shifting on their own. I'm using a small, tiny eyeliner brush. This is the E06 by Sigma. It's very, very tiny and thin. It's going to allow me being more precise. And I'm going to take the color right from the little applicator using this brush. And I'm going to be applying it just as I would apply an eyeliner, close to my lash line. I'm using this shade only on the inner half. By the way, this was Juno, and now I'm going to be taking Dreamweaver and apply it to the outer half. I'm gonna wait for it to dry a little bit, and if you want the most intensity out of your multichrome eyeshadow, just go ahead on top of it with a second coat. I'm overlapping the second color a little bit to make them blend better together. And same with the second shade, overlapping the first one. Now you can leave it like that and just apply mascara on top of it and finish off the look. Or if you want to better define it, I'm gonna take my liquid liner again and go very, very thinly close to my lash line right underneath. And once again, finish off by curling your lashes and applying mascara. For the last look, I'm going to show you how to create a very easy halo eye effortlessly using a touch of Multichrome eyeshadow. I'm going to start with priming my lid with the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Eyeshadow Primer. Then I'm going to take my Lorac Pro Mini Palette and Corduroy, which is this brown shade right here, on a Sigma E25 fluffy blending brush. Top off any excess and go right in the crease, blending it in swirling motions. Then I'm going to take an E20 short shader brush with the same shade and go closer under my lower lash line. I'm going to take the same corduroy shade, but this time on a flat E55 brush and apply it to the very inner and outer corner of my lid. I'm going to leave the center blank. This is where we're going to add our Halo Multichrome shade. And once again, because we're only using a touch of it, it's not going to be too much and it's going to be much more wearable. I'm blending everything again with the E25 to make sure I don't have any harsh edges and swooping it outwards on this outer edge. You can use any shade in the middle to match your outfit or your mood. I'm going to be using Electron, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, once again from Ensley Rain, and I'm going to apply that to the very center of my lid and then take my finger and blend it by tapping lightly. But I still want to keep it in the center of the lid. Now I'm going to take just a little bit under my lower lash line, only on the center as well. Then I'm going to take a more precise blending brush like the Sigma E45 and a darker shade from the same Lorac matte palette like Chocolate. And I'm going to take a little bit of that in my crease to darken and deepen it a little more. Then I'm going to take my flat brush again and Bare, which is this lighter shade over here, and I'm going to apply that under my brow bone, a little bit on the inner corner, and a little bit under the outer corner right here to make it a little more precise. To create more of a smoky liner for this look, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Perversion. This is their blackest black and it's very, very soft and very smooth. So it's great if you want to create more of a smoky liner. Very easy to apply since it glides on. It's very just smooth and creamy. I'm going to link it down below in case you're interested. And then with my MAC 219 brush, this is just a pencil brush, I'm going to be smudging this liner just a little bit to smoke it out and make it softer. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to do so. Just click the little red button. It's free, and that way you won't miss any further videos that I'm going to be uploading in the future. If you want to be notified as well, then click the little bell button. I'm going to be notified anytime I upload a video. Just swinging whatever is left from that eyeliner on this outer corner. And now, as always, curling my lashes and applying mascara. If you want to see swatches of all of these beauties, make sure to check out my previous video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram for all of these swatches and more photos of all these looks. And I'll see you in my next video.